This video demonstrates some new AI capabilities added to Skyve Forms. This converts an existing application for a hospital admission form to an online form. The PDF is converted into screenshots and uploaded into the new conversion screen. It is then sent to the computer vision API, which inspects the screenshots for fields it can identify. This takes around 30 to 60 seconds per screenshot and has been sped up for the video. Once complete, you are shown a small preview of the fields and sections identified. Click Create Form to turn this into a form to be previewed and tidied up before publishing. When you are ready, you can publish the form and make it available for use within your application.